Jasmine has risen by over 8% in just a few days. But can we continue this bullish trend, or are we looking at a larger retracement downwards? In this video, I'll talk about the Jasmine coin and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group where I share analyses on Bitcoin, Jasmine, and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. First of all, Jasmine is currently ranked 64 among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.5 billion. This coin has been moving sideways for a while and already saw a significant increase back in February. And now within the last few days, it's skyrocketed by 80%. When we look at the weekly time frame, we can see we had this longer accumulation phase, and then, rather unexpectedly, we broke to the upside with massive bullish momentum, breaking this last high. And since then, we've been in another sideways phase, in an accumulation phase. And after we've corrected and repeatedly seen these liquidity grabs with these candle wicks, once the bullish breakout upwards has occurred, Jasmine is clearly in a bullish trend with consistently higher highs and lows. And because we've broken the last high here on the top side, the chance is now higher that we'll see further higher prices. Especially on the upside, we have massive potential for this bull run for Jazz. But what's going to happen in the short term? In the short term, of course, there's a high chance that we may see rising prices. We just saw the daily body close outside and above this last high, which is a very bullish sign. However, I could also imagine we might see a pullback. Back to this order, and if we test this order block and see bullish price action on the lower time frame, then the chances are extremely high that we will see higher prices and can continue the bullish trend upwards. That means for an optimal start, I would wait until we have tested this demand zone. Nicer says, I quite matched. And if this zone holds and we don't see lower prices, then the chances are high that we will continue the bullish trend upwards. However, if we break through this demand zone relatively quickly and find acceptance below this low, if that's the case, there's a high chance we'll see a larger pullback. Using the Fibonacci retracement tool now, I'd mainly focus on the area between the 0.618 Fibonacci and the 0.786 Fibonacci levels. Because statistically, the highest probability is that we're seeing a trend reversal area here, meaning an optimal entry would be if we get back to this area, then see bullish price action. And with bullish momentum out of this range to the upside, collapse. At the same time, I would pay attention to the Bitcoin price. If we see an increase in price and new all-time highs, then the chance is also high that we'll see higher prices in altcoins and in Jasmines too. However, if Bitcoin were to correct significantly again, there's also a high chance that Jasmine will continue to correct as well. And if you don't want to miss any trading signals, then join my exclusive signal group. Here you'll find real-time trading signals from me and crypto spot buys. Second link in the description. In summary, I think Jasmine looks very bullish right now, as we've seen this bullish breakout from the accumulation phase to have. And the chance that we see higher prices and reach this next price target is also very high. However, for an optimal entry, I would constantly wait for us to come back to this demand area and bullish price action. If, however, we break through this demand area downwards, the chances are high we'll correct significantly lower and see a larger retracement. So folks, thanks for watching. I wish you success in trading and see you in the next video.